Contrary to reports made by several bloggers that the SADC group has endorsed Emmerson Mnangagwa, or that there was no demonstration in Lusaka yesterday, the truth is that the standoff against Mnangagwa continues. Contrary to what the defense minister claimed, that the ZANU-PF is now okay with SADC and that the situation was not of a demonstrative nature but rather peaceful, with only one person named Pardon Gambakwe. The reality is different. Ashperi Moshe Mrezima kutona kuti aiwa Opa Mchinguru onyepera vanhu achiti aiwa SADC yava okay na Idi Mnangagwa, achiti hapana zvakaitika, yainge skandal ya Gambakwe akangosungwa nemapurisa ndege akakwanisa kuenda kuvamwe vese ava vanhu vanokwanisa kupetitiona kana kudemonstrata. Sambe namashoko anoona kuti aiwa Opa Mchinguru anonzi akareva nhema noti subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Tipinda mzimba yamunyika mchinzi, there was a large group of Zimbabweans who staged a demonstration as evidenced by the footage showing numerous participants including one speaking at the event. The statement by bloggers claiming that the regional board has let Idi Mnangagwa off or allowed him to go scot-free, neither factual nor truthful. Eyewitnesses at the scene, as well as the defense minister's own words, confirmed that the standoff by the regional board members against Mnangagwa continues. A statement minus one Mnangagwa made at the previous summit attended by Trust Love, indicating propaganda with no factual basis. The footage clearly shows many people present at the demonstration. Beyond the statements made at the SADC level continue to stand against Mnangagwa, particularly concerning the 2023 elections and recent comments he made in Russia, which have continental security implications. Ndo mashoko atukuna pano vanonyachirabhisha mashoko atagwana Opa Mchinguru zvinzi aiwa SADC ichiri pasi report vari kuti aiwa it is still authentic. Mashoko atagwana Opa Mchinguru achiti aiwa SADC is now okay Mnangagwa ndenhema. Tudze mafungiro enyu vari kudi pamusoro penhau iyi. Ina comment section medu, musano subscribe kulike, so turn on the bell icon.